Now, the story of calculus starts from a term limit, the basic of this calculus limit. What is this limit? So if I take the same example, f of x equals to x plus 3. Limit is the value, limit, or we can say limit is the maximum value a function can achieve. So here, suppose again if I say we have to find the limit at point x equals to 3. So value of function at x equals to 3 is different and limit of function at 3. Now when we find limit means we will find the value of the function at all those points which are neighbor or which are near to point 3. So for this let us see this number line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Where is 3 on the number line? Here. So value the function at 3 will find exactly at 3. But limit of the function will find at the points which are near at this point 3. Okay. For example, 3.1, 3.111, 3.123, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 4, and so on. Similarly here 2.9, 2.8, 2.7. Okay, so near, neighborhood. There is a word neighborhood. Means near, value near to 3. Okay. So how we find the limit? How many ways to how many ways or how we can evaluate a limit? So for this, what I am doing, for the same function f of x equals to x plus 3, we'll make a table. We'll put different values of x and we'll find their corresponding values of f of x. Okay. So here is 3. So at x equals to 3, what is the value of the function? 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Now before 3 means at 2.9, at 2.8, and after 3 means at 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So now we'll find the value of function at these points. So for these values of x, these are the values of the function f of x. So when you observe, you'll find that when we move towards, when the value of x is moving towards x, towards 3, when the value of x is moving or the value or x is approaching 3, then the value of the function is also approaching 6. Okay, and from here also the value of x is approaching. Here the x is 3.3, then 3.2. So x is approaching 3. We say x is approaching 3. Okay, then the value of the function is also approaching 6. Okay, it means this is the limited or the maximum value of the function can achieve, right? Now mathematically how to write? So in general we write as x approaches a, or we say x tends to a. How to read? X as x tends to a, f of x tends to L. Any value here, x tends to 3, then f of x or f of 3 tends to 6. Okay, so in general we are writing as x tends to a, f of x tends to L. And what is this L here? Limit of the function. Now why the name limit? Because this is the maximum value a function can achieve. Okay. So how to write symbolically or mathematically, how to write? So we'll write limit of a function f of x, limit of a function f of x when this x tending to, or when x tends to a, is L. This is the mathematical expression for limit. Okay, limit, how to read? Limit x tends to a, f of x equals to L. So here in our example, limit x tends to 3 means x is approaching 3, then the value of function at 3 means f of 3 is equals to 6. Okay,